Boom, boom, boom. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are all having an amazing Wednesday. As you guys can see, I put $300 profit just to start the thumbnail because I knew I was well over that. As of right now for the day, as you guys can see on the right-hand side, $407.90 profit. Again, I haven't locked that in right now. This is my second position today on WTI. Based on, excuse me, based on the pattern that we talked about today within the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, the most common resistance has been at around 755. I've been able to buy the dip both times. Hasn't been huge profits, but again, just trying to hit my daily goal of that 2 to 3% growth, or if it ranges from that 500 to $750 profit. So I've been able to stay green yesterday and then the day prior. On Monday, so today's Wednesday. On Monday, I was able to make a little bit over $500 profit. Again, I showed my trade live on YouTube and recapped on my trade, show my profits just like I do every single day. And then on Tuesday, as of yesterday, if you guys don't follow me again, I recapped. I think I was up $300 or $400 when I went live on YouTube. But then I followed up with a video of me playing Fortnite and locking in over $800 profit while doing it. So I've actually been playing right now with my roommates and stuff like that. We've just been hanging out, responding to Discord messages for all those that are part of the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library and TechBud Solutions community. For those that aren't familiar with who it is that I am, my name is Ricky. I'm 23 years old. I have one of the fastest growing private trading communities out there called TechBud Solutions. You guys can Google it. You guys can YouTube it. We have a little bit over 100,000 members. As of right now, I'm one of the youngest millionaires here in Gilbert, Arizona, and we invest in multiple markets, right? The thing that we focus on most is focused on consistency, and you guys can watch any of my videos every single day. One of the things that I do most is I never tell people where to buy. I never tell people where to sell, even if you're part of my private group, right? You get the ability to watch me trade live every single day, but I will never tell you where to buy and where to sell. If you're ever part of a group and you're just getting started and someone tells you and encourages you to buy something, that should be a huge red flag. You should never invest in what you don't understand, and it is sad to see that so many other investors or so many other YouTubers, try to manipulate whatever stock it is that they are investing in by trying to promote something. I always encourage people to do their own due diligence, and this is just a friendly reminder. If those for those that are part of Learn, Plan, TechBud Solutions, we had a conversation yesterday that some YouTuber that trades lower cap stocks was telling their members to invest in certain stocks, right? I'm just here to remind you. I can't tell you what to do, right? I'm just here to remind you to please do your own due diligence and just do one thing that's super simple. If you do not understand why it's a good deal, right, why you're investing in it, please do not take the position. Start simulation trading, start paper trading. And again, I'm here, in almost every single video, I encourage people to start simulation trading, to start trading with fake money, to test the waters. If this is a market that, you can actually grow your account in. There's no question. 95% of the people that invest in the stock market lose money. So why risk any money, right? Why not just start paper trading? Use whatever brokerage you want out there. Google it, simulation trading, paper trading. I have a couple videos on it, and then test it out. See if you can actually grow your account, and if you can prove to yourself that you can, then make that fluid transition over to trading with real money. Whenever you prove to yourself that you can actually grow your account. Again, I want to see what the team actually has to say. So I want to actually shout out a couple people. So these are the people within TechBud Solutions. So I want to give a shout out to all these different members. My first week trading, thank you for all the tips, Rick Gutierrez. So again, just growing your account. I don't care if you grow your account 1% on a weekly basis. I don't care if you grow your account 10% on a weekly basis. All we focus on is consistent growth. Okay, all-time 222%. You guys have to understand that this guy is absolutely killing it, right? Absolutely killing it. And I want to make sure that you guys understand that it's going to take time for you to be able to get to that certain point, but it is possible. And today, for those that are part of the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, absolutely killed it. So you guys, we called this one out yesterday, $1,000 profit. Acacia, what's going on? So this is Acacia, absolutely killing it. She actually just posted on her Instagram, 135% profit, $250 profit, right? There we go, $3,000 profit today. Shows my profits. I'm the one that's making the least today, my goodness. $11,000 profit in the past month, and again, these are all profits of people posting today. Again, nothing but profits. What we focus on most within our group and within both groups, TechBud Solutions and Learn, Plan, Profit, is consistency, only trading patterns which you understand, and making sure that you don't invest based on other people's opinion. Again, if you are being told, if you are purchasing signals, you are not becoming a self-sufficient trader. You are not learning how to actually fish yourself. And you think that's actually, just be realistic with yourself. Do you really think that's going to last a very long time? No. the thing that we do best, and I provide it for free on YouTube, or if you want to work with me on a closer basis, then those are for those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit. But again, you have two options, right? You don't even have to learn from my YouTube videos. If you don't like my style of trading, I'm very conservative and you don't have to learn from me, right? But the thing that we do most is we always talk about covering profits and consistently focus on patterns which you understand and you know how to take advantage of, right? That you understand that it's a good deal. I want to see what the team has to say with their overall experience today trading. I'm going to remove the P&L and I'm going to talk to the team. So, and I'm really sorry for all those that tune in time after time. It's just, it was brought to my attention that there was an individual that was telling their small group to trade certain stocks. And that's just, I just want to remind you, I'm not here to throw anyone under the bus. I'm just here to remind my following, right? I have a little bit over 178,000 people. I have multiple more followers than they do. And I'm just here to remind you that please do not trade based on other people's opinion. Please. Like, biggest area of opportunity. Please do not trade based on other people's opinion. So honestly, the market today was ended up with $50. Is this normal? I mean, you can't say like if this is not normal or normal, right? It's for me. I found myself watching more of. I was definitely much more conservative today. For those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, definitely were asking me like what was going on and stuff like that, just because I was definitely focusing on just getting the full-on confirmation of a reversal. And the reason that I chose to take a position on WTI and not on DGAS is because WTI on the 180-day chart is showing signs of a solid uptrend pattern. So it's an ongoing uptrend, right? So it's based on previous patterns, it will most likely continue to recover. With DGAS, I saw that it was a good buy. It was in good deal territory. It was trying to show signs of a reversal, as you can see, because it became very oversold. But it's more of a descending pattern. There's a higher form of risk in that. And I've already been up. Well, yesterday was $850 profit, and then the day before was a little bit over $500 profit. So I think that was like 12 or 1300 within the first 2 days. I wanted to make sure that I continue that momentum, just continue to focus on quality, and air out all the noise. So. Wow, that's super sweet. $1,500 profit to $2,000. That's, I mean, and again, what I would encourage people to focus on is especially if you're just getting started, is just focus on being able to continuously grow your account on percentage growth. Aim for 2 to 3% just to get the ball rolling. There's a video on my YouTube channel that talks about the 4 different stages on how to consistently grow your account. You can search up 4 stages Ricky Gutierrez on YouTube, and it'll be the first video that pops up. And I talk about very important factors on how to actually grow your account and how to have goals and sub goals and how to aim for that and stuff like that. So do you have any beginner videos? Well, if you follow me on Instagram, so the link is down below, there's this start here bubble. And in that start here bubble, it goes over like the very basics of how to set up a paper trading account, the importance of it, how to set up your TD Ameritrade account, how to make your first $1,000, and then it shows you me live trading making $1,600 and stuff like that. So I think that would be a great one on how to get started. And then the link should probably be down below. We have a free training option, and it covers like support and resistance, day trading, and then swing trading. So yes, we have a bunch of different options. Bunch of videos on YouTube. There's a helpful video playlist on my YouTube channel that is pretty helpful. The thing, we have now over 900 videos on YouTube. So is this Forex? No, it's stocks. What's it called? We have over 900 videos on YouTube. And the thing that is kind of overwhelming for people is we have so much information out there that it's very difficult for people to find structure with these YouTube videos. So one thing that we do in the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library very well is everything is very straight to the point and in-depth and structured in a way that's just very effective and efficient. And then also you get the ability to network with not just myself, but other very well-versed traders every single day. You got to watch me trade live every single day, and we answer questions live. So it's kind of like this, but just a private video and stuff like that. So I like it. Andrew, super happy to hear that. I love that. Acacia, you are killing it. Super happy to hear that. Yeah, I was like, LAPD. I grew up in Los Angeles, so I was just like, I don't know what you mean by that. Yeah, LAPD. I'll be sure to follow up with that. Direct message me if you have any questions within the TechBuild Solutions group chat. Again, where do you start? Go to my Instagram. The link is down below. There's a start here bubble. click on that and it'll talk to you about the basics. Or there's also a free training down there. There's a bunch of videos. You don't just have to learn from my YouTube videos. Again, I'm very open in saying that, I have a very conservative style of investing, and it doesn't mean that like my style is going to work for each and every single one of you. You guys can see if you like the way that I explain things. Watch my videos. I'm not going to spoon feed any of you. So if you're someone that wants to be told what to do, my group is not going to be for you, right? Nor TechButt Solutions, nor Learn Plan Profit. But if you're someone that with structured videos, you can learn. And then if you have actual questions after you complete the entire course that you want to ask me, I'm here literally every single day trading with you guys. So that's what it's all about. So if you're willing to dedicate the time, great. If you're not, then again, I'm just, it's not going to work, right? Not with my group. So I don't, that's actually a question that I've been, and this is where I'm going to end it. So that's actually been a question that I've been asked pretty often. It's like, Ricky, like, how do you scan for stocks and stuff like that? If you guys focus and even look back, right, with all the stocks that I trade, I literally focus on almost the same stocks every single week, week after week. What resources do I use to find stocks? TechButt Solutions and Learn Plan Profit. We have a group alert or a watch list section where everyone calls out on a weekly basis their top stocks. Does that mean that I trade everyone else's top stocks? No. But I use my understanding of how to perform technical analysis to filter all those stocks, right? And I make sure that I do my own due diligence in finding these stocks. That's how I found WTI. That's how I came across CPE today. That's how I came across USLV, right? Stocks that are very oversold. And then that's how I've consistently traded JNUG, UGAS, the same things that you guys see me trade time after time. Why do I trade the same things time after time? Because they work for me, they make me money, and they grow my account. Again, I'm not here to impress anyone. I'm not here to please anyone. I'm here to grow my account. And if you guys can compare me to any other individual on YouTube and stuff like that, again, I'm not saying I'm the most profitable, but when it comes down to consistent, I feel like I have one of the most consistent track records. I post my trades. I call out. I don't just recap on my trades. I call out the stocks that I'm watching the day before. You guys can see if I have an open position. I talk about them or recap them the day that follows and show you guys my profits. Easiest way to put it. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I show you my entire P&L for all the positions that I took that day, and I try to be as transparent as possible. For those that don't believe me, 100%. You don't have to be part of my group. You don't have to be part of Learn Plan Profit. You don't have to follow me. Easiest way. Don't 100% don't be a part. If you don't see value in me, just forget about me. Easiest way to do it, right? But for those that do, great. I would love to be a part of your success. I try to show everything that I can, and that is it. Really just it. So which platform or broker do you use? TD Ameritrade, just like I explained in every single other video. What was that one stock? So the stock that I was currently watching and trading was WTI. Can I do one-on-one trainings with you? I do not do one-on-one trainings, no. Do you think that the stock market is headed for a crash? No. William? Yeah. Who are you rooting for in the World Cup? Mexico. The U.S. Just kidding. They didn't make it, huh? Right? They didn't make it. No. Well, I'm Mexican, so I'm gonna, I guess, root for Mexico, right? So, yeah, I don't really watch sports. So, thoughts on gold and JNUG? JNUG, again, no confirmation or indication of a reversal. So, if there's no confirmation, then don't force it. Do you have any monthly payment options for LPP? No, it's a one-time payment. That's why we priced it so low. And again, it's a lifetime access, and you have the ability to trade with us live every single day. What's up with USLV? Again, no confirmation, so I'm not even focusing on it. Of course, Trinity, thank you again for tuning in. Mexico beat Germany, the holders last week. What does that mean? I don't know. Germany
were champions last time, and Mexico beat them, so it was like incredible. It's crazy.
Okay. You hitting the gym today? Of course. Every single day, 20 minutes. All right, guys. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time, but just wanted to recap very quickly. I'm going to post my profits for those that follow me again on Instagram. Sorry. You guys 100% don't even have to follow me on Instagram. But that's because I film 2 of these videos every single day. If I film a recap video, great. I'll post it there. But for those that want to stay up to date with my trades and my position on WTI, I'm planning on potentially taking a swing trade position, but I'm not too sure if it's going to be on WTI. There's other two stocks that I'm watching. I'll be covering it right now with the Learn Plan Profit group, but I'll be following up with that a little bit later. I'm pretty sure I'm going to cover profits on WTI as a day trade, and then just because my position size is a little bit too high or too big, I'm going to reduce my position size and maybe go in for a short-term swing trade if I get the confirmation that I want today. So, of course, thank you guys again. I can't thank you guys again for everything it is that you guys do. You guys just tuning into this video is more than enough, right? You guys are investing your time into me, and I want you guys to know that I appreciate that. If there's anything that I can do to make TechBot Solutions, right, more effective and more efficient for you, great. We just went through a huge filter of removing a bunch of people that were not here for the best interest of TechBot Solutions, and we've never been doing better. So it's so refreshing. Leading up to the TechBot Solutions HQ that we're going to establish. So for all those that are asking, do I do in-person trainings? I don't, but I will be having an HQ where you can come in, dock up your computer, and be able to trade with a bunch of other traders within Gilbert, Arizona. I do not know when it's going to be established. We're still working on that, and so I'll keep you guys up to date when I have more information. But again, let's stay consistent. Let's continue killing it. And again, even if you're up 1%, even if you're up 10% on a weekly basis, monthly basis, whatever it is, growing your account is something that 95% of people can't do. And if you're able to do that, then you're doing something right. So let's just focus on that. Let's focus on consistency. And yeah, that's really just it. So thank you guys again. Continue working hard. Continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. And if you guys can give the video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys can't, I totally understand. But I'll see you guys on my Instagram account. We're probably going to go live in a couple hours. So thank you guys again for your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.